Tesla short. Remember, when market is selling off, your first focus is to focus on the short setups. So Tesla, our plan in the pre-market was trade with the market, testing MTF today, bearish to neutral bias. So we were supposed to trade with the market. If market is bearish, we were going to look for a short setups. So as soon as I saw that Tesla is breaking that 50-50 MTF, I told the traders it's a 50-50 MTF short. I told them to put the stops at 422. So you're shorting it here. Your stops are at 422s. So if bounces, right now is a $4 stop if you're shorting it here, although you can keep a smaller stop as well. The targets I gave was 413 and 411, and you see we hit the 413 and then we also hit the 411 as well. The next target I gave was 405 and 402. So why did I give these targets? If you look at the daily chart on Tesla, you will see that it was a support here, which was where it's initially bounced, and there was a gap here. So that support was around 402, 403 area. So that's the gap support. We hit our 405 targets, we've hit our 402 targets, but under that was 400 psychological level. Then I told the trader that we can fill the gap. 396 is the gap. If 400 drops, we can fill the gap. And this was the gap, guys. And we did break 402, 403, and no hindsight from me. I gave these targets early in the morning. Then later in the afternoon, I said we're going to fill the gap, because when we break the gap fill, the 400 psychological, we usually fill the gap. So we did fill the gap, not fully, maybe a dollar short, but you understand the concept. That's why you're supposed to stay short on Tesla all day long. Just let it be. Just hold your shorts from the MTF clouds. Hold it from 418 all the way to 400, and you exit when it curled right here, and it kind of bounced from the 400 psychological level. So we'll be watching tomorrow. If it holds 400, we'll look for the longs. If it fails 400, we'll look for the shorts. But just to show you that how you grow your account in a day, take a look at 415 puts. 415 puts went from $4 all the way to $19. Even if you scaled out, you still made at least 3 times that money. $1,000, you still made a $3,000. And you could always trade leverage ETFs. You could trade TSLL, short those options, buy those option puts, or you can long TSLQ, trade the leverage ETFs. That's how you can make consistent money. So that was Tesla PLTR. We were watching it because there was so much noise on it. Of course, Michael Burry, and it's a cult stock. When market sell off, we were looking at PLTR for opportunities. Support was 180, resistance was 180 to 50. Bearish bias as long as under yesterday lows. If it holds yesterday's lows, look for the curl. Simple plan. It went under yesterday lows, and that's when you short it. As soon as it's flushed under yesterday lows, you short it. You put your stops over this area or 512 clouds. Once it breaks the pre-market lows, it confirms the short. So I told them hold the shorts, put the stops at 180, because we were breaking this bear flag, $2 risk at 178, and it was an MTF breakdown short. As we started to fade, we moved the stops down to 178.50. I gave the targets 175, the second target of 173. We hit the 175 target right here, made a nice bear flag, and then we hit our 171 targets. We were not buying PLTR. When it's time to buy, we will buy.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.